Hi guys, today we're unboxing the long-awaiting Sony RX10 V, a camera many of us have been waiting for years because of its all-in-one versatility and powerful new sensor. Let's get straight into the box and see what you actually get. Inside, you'll find the RX10 V camera body itself, securely packed. You also get the NPF-Z100 battery, the lens hood, the shoulder strap, and the usual documentation, warranty papers, and the quick start guide. The camera currently sells for around £2,199 in the UK, depending on the retailer. To get the best performance out of the RX10 V, especially for 4K recording and high frame rate modes, you'll need a fast SD card. The recommended type is a UHS-2 V90 SDXC card. These cards ensure stable recording without dropped frames. Before we finish the unboxing, let's quickly go over some of the new features and specifications of the Sony RX10 V, because this model brings several important upgrades. The RX10 V introduces a new stacked CMOS sensor with faster readout, giving you improved image quality, better dynamic range, and reduced rolling shutter. Autofocus has also been upgraded with Sony's latest real-time AI tracking and IAF, making it more accurate for people, airplanes, and animals. Video performance is another major improvement. You now get 4K recording with oversampling, higher frame rate options, and more stable processing thanks to the new sensor and updated BIONZ XR engine. The camera also supports advanced slow motion modes, which is why a fast UHS-2 V90 card is essential. The lens remains the versatile 24-600mm f2.4 4 zoom, giving you wide-angle, mid-range, and super telephoto 25x reach in one body. Combined with improved stabilization, it's designed for travel, wildlife, and everyday shooting. Alright, that's the unboxing. Now let's power it up and see how it performs in real-world shooting. Tomorrow I'll upload a video test so you can see how the RX10 V performs in real-world shooting, image quality, autofocus, stabilization, and slow motion. Make sure to check back for that.